Hi, my name is Nir Pardo. I'm a product manager at AudioCodes, in charge of personal and meeting space devices. Today I want to bring up a very important topic, background noise during video and audio calls, whether you're talking from your office, home office, huddle or meeting room. You know how it goes. You're trying to conduct an important online business meeting with a new potential customer. Your team are either in the office or working remotely. Just as you get to the really important stuff, it happens. Suddenly you can't hear anything because one of your colleagues is interrupted by the sound of a vacuum cleaner, a humming air conditioning, or loud music coming from a nearby cubicle. That's why we at AudioCodes created an advanced algorithm for our market-leading IP phones, which blocks all those intrusive sounds. When you talk with a handset or headset, you no longer have to worry about background noises from anywhere. As simple as that. Now, all participants can focus on the call itself and on doing business without having to constantly hit mute, unmute to avoid disturbing the call.